Reit yng nghanol dinas Antananarivo, mae yna gartre arbennig iawn, cartre Akany Avoko, cartre i ferched ifanc, nifer ohonyn nhw sydd wedi cael eu denu fewn i droseddu mân, droseddau, yn aml iawn oherwydd clodi, merched eraill sydd yno oherwydd bod yna broblemau wedi bod yn y cartre. Rhedeg y cartref arbennig yma, mae yna wraig rhyfeddol.
I'm Hunter Engineer Malala. I am the director of a refuge for vulnerable girls in Madagascar. What are we doing is to prepare the girls to be reintegrated in the society or in their family. So we send the girls to school or giving them training programs.
Mae'r merched a'i oedran nhw yn amrywio o fod yn ei arddegau cynnar i fyny i'w arddegau hwyr. Maen nhw yno yn aros am achos llys a gallen ni gymryd i fyny at flwyddyn i'r peth i ddigwydd. A bydd hanta yn mynd gyda nhw i'r llys i pledio eu hachos nhw, i gyflwyno'u hadroddiad hi yn y gobaith y gewn nhw wedyn i ryddhau o'r drosedd a cael mynd adre. Oedd hi'n dweutha i fod 99% o'r achosion sydd yn mynd ger bron y llys yn cael i ryddhau a'r plant yn cael i hadfer unwaith eto nôl i'w teuluoedd.
I am an orphan girl. I was brought up to a place like the place I work now when I was only 8 years old. I've never seen my father, but my mother was died when I was 7. I grew up in this place from that time until I was appointed to run this place. I did all my study there. And after I finished my baccalaureate, I went to Penrith for a year to Wales to work as a volunteer to help children in need or in problem. So I said to myself, if I could help a little bit the children there, why I could not help the children in my country? From my experience, I can help also the girls in situation like me can become like me or even better than me. Penrith and Wales has got a special place in my life because it changed everything. And the social work is now, it's not a job for me, it is what I do, it's a life. It's so important to see the smile of the children, they're laughing, they're playing, they're singing.
Mae yn gartre arbennig iawn. Mae'n amlwg bod y merched yn meddwl y byd o hanta. Fe ddath i ata i gyda plentyn bach a'i gyflwyno fe fel i oer. Ac o'n i'n dweuthu, wel, rych chi'r ifanc i fod yn fam gi. Ond wrth gwrs beth oedd hi'n golygu oedd bod e'n fab i un o'r merched oedd yn cartre yma. Ac oedd hynny'n dweud wrtho i pa mor agos ydyn nhw fel un teulu mawr. Maen nhw'n byw yno gyda'i gilydd, mae nifer ohonyn nhw'n mynd i'r ysgol leol gyda'i gilydd, maen nhw'n bwyta gyda'i gilydd, maen nhw'n chwarae gyda'i gilydd, ac maen nhw'n canu gyda'i gilydd hefyd.
This place can be special for girls because after being here, their life won't be the same anymore. And they can play. Most of the girls could not play at all where they used to be because they had to work. The parents don't let them to play. Here they can play. They start a new life here. This is a place to step up for a better future.
Mae'r gwaith yn arbennig iawn. A mae'r hyn maen nhw'n llwyddo i wneud ar yr ychydig arian sydd gyda nhw yn ryfeddol a dweud y gwir. Fe allan nhw'n neud lot mwy, tasen nhw'n cael mwy o gefnogaeth ariannol, a gobeithio gawn nhw hynny wedi yn hapel ni.
Diolch yn fawr Cymru!